The entrance to Arches National Park is located about 4 miles outside the city of Moab. It can be difficult finding a campsite or reserving a campsite inside of the park, so many people camp either around Moab or somewhere along the Colorado River. As we entered Arches National Park, we were blown away by these huge, tall monoliths. This area is called Park Avenue. It's called Park Avenue because these sandstone buttes from a distance look like the buildings in downtown Manhattan. There are areas in between these buttes that we were able to climb down and find a flat, hard riverbed where we walked around and explored. There was a multitude of side canyons that came off this riverbed that offered all kinds of areas to explore, which we did. Though Arches National Park sees over 1 million visitors a year, we were still able to find many secluded places. Another interesting fact about Arches National Park is that it's got the highest density of natural arches in the world. Okay, we got one more. We're going to go through Sand Arch. We just passed Broken Arch. Look at this. This looks cool. Looks slippery. This is cool. Definitely cool. There are many hikes off the main road, and it's easy to get back and find yourself in little canyons like this with beautiful sand bottoms and these tall sandstone cliffs all around you. Really beautiful and peaceful. Hey guys, so it's I think our 5th or 6th day. We're walking along here. It's a beautiful canyon. It's one of the few places that has a year-round stream. When we started the trip, the water was crystal clear, and all of a sudden now it's like latte brown. I'll show you. This just happened in a few minutes, and the reason is that there was a rainstorm, who knows where, maybe even 100 miles off, that all of a sudden dumped a bunch of silt into the river. Because it didn't rain last night, it was actually pretty clear. So it just shows in the desert you could camp in a wash or underneath a dry waterfall, and bam! Here comes water.
Let's go. We have to take the shoes off because look like all this cover with the water is flooding. Not that bad. And this is this number 6. We cross this creek like this. So I let Kid go first so you can check. And now it's my turn.
Whoa.
Kid, you have to help me.
What?
You have to help me. You want me to walk with you? Come.
Can you get that other big one? There's 2 big ones. Just hop, but you gotta hop hard.
Why you so easy when you get that?
If you want me to go first.
You go first.
All right, 2.5 miles, Morning Glory Bridge. Well guys, we made it. It was a pretty good hike, and there's fresh water, and this Morning Glory arch or bridge, they call it, is pretty cool. And this wee playing in the water. Get right under it. Isn't that cool? We're on Highway 95 just south of a town called Hanksville, maybe about 80 miles south. We've been driving along this canyon for miles and miles and miles and miles. It's called White Canyon. It's absolutely beautiful and absolutely wild. We just pulled over. This isn't even one of the deepest areas. I just want to come see it. And there's hardly any roads that go to it. It's just spectacular. Oh my God, it's a high cliff. I don't want to get too close to that thing. Makes you dizzy. I bet we've been following this thing for 40 miles. As we traveled through Utah, we were more and more amazed at this wonderful land outside of Moab. There's Canyonlands, there's arches so close to each other, and then there's Moab and the surrounding area. The more we see Utah, the more we want to come back. And we look forward to sharing more with you on our upcoming videos. Take care and see you on the road.